everyone, and welcome to Right Fashions. My name is Aaliyah, and here on this channel we talk about all things fashion, travel, scholarship, and some deals. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how you can effectively and efficiently pack for a 3-day weekend. Let's get into it. So it's time to pack for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Also, don't forget to bring some backup outfits because you never know what's going to happen on your trip. So always come prepared with a few backups. I'm going to go in the closet and grab a few. Let's see what I can pick out. For the first outfit, I have these pink earrings to go along with the pink Reebok name on the front. I added these black and white Nike sandals along with the crossbody bag. For the second all black outfit, I have this black and brown like snakeskin bag that I got from DSW along with these matching earrings. Next, I have these Nikes, which are really cute. They're like a bright green with like the black swoosh. And then they have these like splats of color at the bottom, which I think is really cool because it adds a pop of color from the browns and the blacks, which is more of a dark neutral color. Then on the third outfit, I added this like purplish red canteen bag from Michael Kors, red earrings to go along with the red name of Levi's, along with this peach Nike swoosh, along with like the white and gray colorway, which I like. Then for the bonus outfit, we have these black booties along with the wristlet and these pearl studs. I think it elevates the look and just makes it look very nice for going out to dinner and being out on the town. So now we're going to look into packing your toiletries, organizing them, and then rolling these outfits together so we can start packing them into the suitcase. And of course, you can't forget your bonnet and your pajamas, packing it in on the trip. Laying out and picking out your clothes really helps with undecisiveness because a lot of times we want to just throw our stuff into the suitcase and then figure it out when we get there. And then when you get there, you realize, man, I had some really cute tops to go with these jeans and I left them back at home. So to help with that, pre-plan your outfits for whatever activities you're going to be doing for the weekend. It's always better to be more prepared than not. So when it comes to packing, let's pack efficiently and effectively. First, when it comes to shoes, I love to put my socks into my shoes to help save space. This is something that my mom always taught me, and it has definitely been a lifesaver. So always put whatever socks you're gonna wear for that day into the shoes and pack it on in. So now we're going to pack in shoes. I like to pack them in this way. That way it takes up less room.
So sandals, sneakers. You can also do like another sneaker here. Put one here. Some booties here. That way you have everything packed in and ready to go.
Now let's start rolling and folding our clothes so that way we can fit it here on the other side. So what I like to do is just bring my jeans halfway, turn them like this, and then I like to tuck and roll. All right, so now it's time to get into organizing your toiletries. Yes, we got to start organizing these babies. Your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your floss, and your floss picks. You got to have everything organized, because the last thing you want to do is get to a city or a country that you're visiting, and then you have to run out to the nearest CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Target, and try to pick up more toiletries. I just feel like it's just less stress when you have everything all ready to go, and you don't have to worry about picking up any other things when you get to wherever you're looking to go for your trip. So first up, for your body care, you're going to need, yes, your body wash. This is the Mary Cookie scent from Bath and Body Works, and I picked this up from the semi-annual. Love this scent, and it's cute, small, and ready to go. Next, of course, you gotta have your lotion. Your lotion, bring it with you in your purse or bring it with you in your bag, because you never know when you're gonna need it. Always handy to have it ready. Next, of course, we have to have our mist. I always bring this with you. It doesn't last forever, but it's cute and it's just nice to spray and go and have. Next, of course, you have to have the essential, which is, of course, your deodorant. This is the Secret Clinical, and it is a smooth solid. I love throwing this in because when you are outdoors doing like amusement park activities or just out in the park and you need a quick swipe, you have it ready. Finally, if you want to smell really good, you need that lasting scent that's more than a mist, then go ahead and bring your designer perfume. This is the one that I have from Burberry. It is a 1.6 ounce and it comes in handy because I can bring it with me and it's travel friendly. So now that we have all of our body care essentials, let's move on to face. So now we're on to, yes, facial skincare. The first thing that I always bring, my holy grail, is going to be my Clarisonic, and it just helps to keep my skin clean and get that like buildup and dirt off my face. I use this in conjunction with CeraVe. This is their foaming facial cleanser, which I really love. When you use these, buy some of these from Walmart. These are like $1.99. I really love to use these because you can separate the different products like your acid serums from your lotions to your witch hazel. So I just love using these little like travel size containers, and it just helps to like squirt it out and you just are ready to go. So I use these two, and then after I wash my face, of course, you need to use your witch hazel. So I really love this because sometimes, you know, you use your Clarisonic and it gets that dead like debris and dirt off your skin, but sometimes you need a little witch hazel just to get that extra off and get your pores right. So I use that, and then afterwards I use the daily moisturizing lotion, which I really love because it does hydrate my skin. So I feel like this is a must for me to bring. Then at night I use the hydrating hyaluronic acid serum, and I really like it. You can bring this. This is a 1 fluid ounce. So I like to use it at night to really just give my skin like a boost of moisture. So I really love this. And then of course you can't forget like your lip scrub. I use this from time to time to get like dead skin off of my lips. So I really like the minty like smell and flavor of it. And then of course the last thing we cannot forget is your cotton rounds or pads. Always bring these to, you know, just make it easier to apply like your witch hazel or to get like makeup off when you need it. I love to bring these, and it just comes in clutch when you need to just pull product off your face and you don't have to get in there with your hands. So these are just the facial skincare products that you can bring to help, you know, get you right for your trip. Now we're on to makeup. So now we're on to the makeup essentials. First, you're going to need your makeup brushes, of course. I got these from BH Cosmetics. Then you need a hydrating primer base. I have this one from Kat Von D, and I use this right before I apply my foundation. Next, you're going to need foundation. So I have my Lancome one, and I really love this shade. It's so friendly for brown girls. I really love Lancome. Next, I have my, of course, lip gloss. Gotta have it poppin'. This is the Honey scent, and this is from Bath and Body Works. Next, you know, you need to get your eyes together. So having my Urban Decay primer is really good. It helps to keep the eyeshadows on long lasting. Then I have my mascara. This is from MAC, and I just love how you can just like pop it in and out and you're ready to go. Just adds and enhances to your false lashes. Of course, when you apply your false lashes, you're gonna need glue. So I use this Kiss one. You can also use Duo. That's a really good brand. And then I do go in and use LA Girl to like color correct underneath my eyes and like around under my chin. So I really love their product. I have this IBY Beauty as just like some blush to help, you know, brighten up my cheeks. And then when you go in to do like your basic, you know, eyeshadow or just getting into your eyeshadow palette, I bring Juvia's Place, nice and compact. And of course, they have these beautiful colors. I really love the look, but you can always just like add to it. I also love the Lancome foundation because you can layer it on and really build it out to, you know, how if you want it to look more natural or a little more dramatic. Always bring setting spray. That's a must to just complete the look. And then once you are done doing all your makeup and you've had your night out and it's time to come back in and just relax, you are going to need, yes, makeup wipes. They come in clutch. You just keep swiping all your makeup off, get to that Clarisonic and just, you know, wash, rinse off your face. And it's just time to get into the bed. Like, you're ready to go. So now that we're on to hair care, I just like to be simplistic about it. When I get braids or like a weave done, I just like to bring some things like this, which basically helps to like swoop your edges. I also bring like edge control, and this just helps to keep my edges tamed throughout the day. I also bring, of course, a comb and then a brush. You can't go wrong with bringing a brush. And then, of course, your hairpin. So I have these like to pull my hair back, or like hair ties and clips to like section off my hair when I need to straighten it or curl it. And then of course you can't forget your flat iron if you need to get right, you know, bump your hair. I have like these little curling rods to help just like add bounce to your hair when you want to just like give that curly style. And then my wand curler, I bring that with me to just add like a different look. So if you don't want to make it straight or bump it, you can add like a few curls to it and just toss your hair through it, and it looks good to go. So next, I'm gonna pack in my toiletries. I have them in these baggies. You can get them color coded or you can get reusable ones. These come in handy because they distinguish and separate exactly what from what. For my makeup palette, I also tuck these in between clothes to make sure like when things move around on the plane, it doesn't get broken up or gets damaged. I also like to cover it with like a paper towel just in case. So I just take that like as a precaution. But let's pack these babies in. Now for your personal item, whether it's a purse or a book bag, just pack in like your wipes, your Aleve, and your portable charger so you have everything else ready to go. Once you have all that done and everything is packed, let's close this carry-on up and put a lock on it. Now it's time to put the lock on. I'm gonna close this up. You can also extend your carry-on and just give it a little more room for when you're packing your items. And then just close it up. Put the lock on it. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And you are all set to go. Carry-on is packed. Whew. Got your personal, and you're ready to go on your 3-day weekend trip. Now you know how to pack efficiently and effectively for a 3-day weekend. I hope these tips and tricks help you, and stay tuned for more travel content. As always, I will see you in the next video. Bye.